For all cosmetic treatments, we start off with images of the area being treated. If receiving filler, we always use a topical numbing cream to ease any discomfort, which isn't necessary for Botox injections. The patient will wait in her treatment room for 30 minutes for the numbing to do its job before the provider steps in to assess the treatment area and discuss the patient's goals. Usually, especially for first-time patients, a consultation has already been performed prior to this appointment to ensure that the patient has the correct product, the correct appointment length, and also the amount of product necessary. But the provider will always double check the day of to ensure that we are still on the same plan. The injector will then map out the injection sites after sterilizing the areas, prep the product, and begin. The most common areas we treat with Botox include the horizontal forehead lines, or frontalis muscle, the frown lines between the eyebrows, or glabella muscle, and the crow's feet or periorbital muscles around the sides of the eyes. The masseter muscle is also now more popular to create a jaw slimming effect. Botox is considered a relatively painless and quick injection. It is a minimally invasive cosmetic treatment that works to soften and prevent fine lines and creases that form over time due to facial expressions. Botox is a derivative of botulinum toxin, which essentially relaxes or temporarily weakens the muscle. The product then takes about 4 to 10 days to kick in and lasts about 2 to 4 months on average. We commonly find that majority of patients will get a 3-month wear out of the product, or what we would consider seasonal benefits. Because it's a temporary injection, much like medicine, it will wear off slowly. The muscle will simply regain its strength. No one is committed to long-term treatment, but will experience the absolute best results and maximum benefits when repeating those injections over time. Not only can the product reduce the appearance of wrinkles, but it can prevent those wrinkles from deepening, or even prevent them from forming in the first place if starting treatment in our 20s. Now for lip filler. Our numbing cream has done its thing, and it's time to inject. Every patient's goal for the appearance of their lips is different, so we consult with the patient beforehand to customize to you, your lip shape, and your desired outcome. Most patients are using 1 to 2 syringes of Juvederm Volbella, sometimes even a little less if we are already building on top of a fuller foundation or a previous injection that is starting to wear down but not yet dissolved, such as this patient here. This process takes a little longer and digs a little deeper than Botox, which is why we use a numbing agent. We also offer a dental block if preferred. The lips will swell for 2 to 3 days after treatment and potentially bruise for 1 to 2 weeks. But the product itself has an instant impact and will last under the skin for 6 to 12 months. We see the patient back for a post-treatment assessment after 2 weeks for both Botox and filler injections. By this time, the product should be fully kicked in and healed, so we can examine the results and determine if any touch-ups or tweaks are necessary. This helps the provider ensure everything has healed properly and allows the patient the opportunity to discuss any concerns, questions, or further interests. Both Botox and filler are buildable products, so if more impact is requested, we can add more and build on with the provider's recommendations. For more information on Botox or filler injections, visit our website's page. We have tabs under Botox as well as filler with more details, as well as blog posts and before and after images from our own patients. Our office offers free cosmetic consultations where you can be individually assessed and medically cleared for treatment. Our consultants will help to formulate your face mapping, dosage, and answer any additional questions you may have, as well as go over any potential concerns or conflicts. We're here to help you get the treatment that you desire and the results that will leave you feeling confident and radiant. Edgebrook Dermatology, Medical Laser and Aesthetic Center. Repair, restore, revitalize.